Hey there, welcome back to Don't Burn Dinner. I am so excited. I think that I found a really interesting recipe for us this week to try out. Oven pancakes, a vintage one from my trusty old family cookbook. It looks so easy. All you need is a cup of flour, a cup of milk, 4 eggs, 6 tea, which I believe would be tablespoons of butter, a pinch of nutmeg, and then we're only dirtying a bowl to mix everything, a spatula to do the mixing, and then a 9x13 casserole dish. So we're cooking these pancakes in the oven. I think they're going to be a lot of fun. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes. And why don't you go ahead and get your oven started at 425, and let's get to work. So step 1 is we are just putting the butter inside of the casserole dish, to start off with. So your 6 tablespoons of butter, I guess I'm going to evenly distribute around the pan. And we've preheated the oven to 425, and we are just going to put this in until all of the butter is melted. Okay, so step 2 is just as easy as step 1. All we're doing is mixing our remaining ingredients together. If it's a little bit lumpy, it says it's okay. And this just seems a little too good to be true. So let's keep our fingers crossed this is a good one, because it's so easy. I could see myself doing this often if it turns out well. Arm's being tired. Oh, well, the butter's melting. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep whipping this, I guess, to make sure all the lumps are out. So we're getting kind of a pancakey consistency that makes sense. Felt like I kind of overdid it with the pinch of nutmeg. That looks like a little much, didn't it, on screen there? I hope that wasn't too much, but it smells good. Doesn't smell too nutmeggy, but I do love nutmeg. I think my favorite spice. After about 3 minutes, I just checked on it and we're ready to go. It is melted, our butter. That's what you do. So we've got our mixture. Just pour it on top. That's what it's gonna look like. And then we're returning to the oven. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little peek. You won't be able to see this, but it is puffing up so much. It's like a big German pancake. It looks like a German pancake. I hope it doesn't burn on the top. We have 20 seconds left on the timer. I'm so excited. A lot is happening in the oven right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Whoa. Come on over, cameraman, and get a load of this.
Juicy.
I was not expecting this. I was expecting like a cake. I thought it would be like a cake. All right, I don't know what to do. Should I? Okay, so the directions said like 20, it said 15 to 20 minutes.
Do you need to let it sit, let it calm,
Do you think that it's cooked enough? If I were to cook it any more, this would burn, I think. Don't you? And that's just butter. That's a lot of butter. Okay, this thing is wild. What is this? I'm nervous, a little bit skeptical to put it back into the oven. So I'm gonna call it done. It really got high here and it almost hit the top of the oven in some places, but I think it looks really good. We're gonna cover this with a little powdered sugar, syrup, and serve it up and see how everybody loves it. You guys, surprised. Like, what is this? I was not expecting this style of a pancake. I thought it would come out looking like a cake, like a yellow cake, honestly. This was a surprise, but I guess that's what happens when you're working with these vintage recipes that don't have pictures that go along with them. So they're always, it's a guessing game. I'm very excited about this. I think the kids are going to be really excited about this. And it really is just like a well-balanced snack. It's got eggs in it, milk. I went with a little squeeze of lemon on top for mine, but the boys, I'll give them syrup to make it really fun. So let's give it a try, see how it is. It's really good. It's eggy. Definitely a little bit more dense than a pancake, 100%. It's delicious. It's real. I'm very surprised by this. Could be a very exciting weekend thing or a big fun snack for after school. So I'm really glad I discovered this, and I'm really glad that you guys went on this adventure with me. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes, and we'll see you next time at Don't Burn Dinner. All right, thank you. Bye.